Good morning, children. How are you all? I think you all are very fine. Okay, I am also fine. So, in previous class, we have to discuss about the number stories, means word problems. Exercise 4.5, solve these word problems. Here we have multiplication word problems. Already in previous class, we have to discuss about 1, 2, 3. Okay, think you all are finished in your notebook. Today, 4th class mathematics, we have to do the exercise 4.5, 4th problem. It is in your textbook page number 95 is there. Once everyone open your textbook, children, page number 95. I'll read the question, have to see. Okay. Fourth one. Anu studies 2 hours every day. How many minutes does she study in a week? Here, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 week is equal to 7 days. Here, they are asking Anu how many hours she is reading. They are given in a week. Okay, so we have to convert week into hours. You have to, after the class, open your maths notebook, write down date and day, see in your textbook, copy the question also. How you can write down the question? Word to word you must leave the finger gap and line to line also leave the finger gap. Maintain the book neatly. Okay. Here, I am writing 4th question solution directly. You have to copy the question. See in your textbook and copy the question. 4th one, solution. Before going to start the answer, you have to read the question at least 2 or 3 times. Then you are getting one idea. Okay. Anu studies 2 hours every day. Means number of hours Anu studies. Okay. First step you can write down. NOF is nothing but number of hours. Anu. Number of hours Anu was studying. How many she studied? 2 hours. She studied 2 hours. Here 1 hour is equal to, and how many minutes does she study in a week? They are asking here in a week. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 week is equal to 7 days. So, daily she has reading 2 hours. And they are asking how many minutes she is reading. So, this hours convert as a minute. Means here 1 hour is equal to, how many minutes children? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then 2 hours. We want to find 2 hours. Why? Because daily she study 2 hours. Means 60 into 2. 2 into 0, 0. 2 6 are 12. So, 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes. Okay. 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes. And daily she is reading up to 1 week. Means we want to multiply this 7 days with 120 minutes. Here you have to multiply 120 into 7. Okay. 7 zeros 0. 7 twos 14. Write down side. 4 cut and 8 here. 1 write down next place regrouping. 7 ones 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So, in a week, Anu was reading 840 minutes. Last step, what they are asking, students? How many minutes does she study in a week? Last we have to write down answer. Therefore, 840 minutes. How many minutes? 840 minutes Anu was reading. Anu was reading in a week. Okay, in a week. Total Anu was reading how many hours, children? 840 minutes. Okay, this is our answer. First of all, you have to observe the question. Anu studies 2 hours every day. 2 hours. And how many minutes does she study in a week? The question given in the hours and they are asking answer in the minutes. So we have to convert hours into minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. We want 2 hours. 2 hours means 62 hours. How much? 120. Then 1 week is equal to 7 days. So this 120 minutes multiplying with 7 means we are getting 840. Next, go for the next question. That is 5th one. A dozen pencils are packed in a box. 20 boxes are packed in a carton. How many pencils are there in 75 cartons? They are asking dozen pencils are packed in a box. Here, 5th solution. How many pencils are packed in a box? Total dozen. 1 dozen is equal to 1 dozen is equal to 12 pencils. When we are going to outside, our parents are asking, give me dozen bananas, dozen eggs. Dozen is nothing but 12. 1 dozen is equal to 12 pencils. 12 pencils are packed in a box. 20 boxes are packed in a carton. Means number of boxes. NOOF is nothing but number of boxes is equal to. Number of boxes is equal to 25. Number of boxes 20 only. They give it 20. And next they given how many pencils are there in 75 cartons. Okay, number of cartons. How many cartons are there, children? 75. Now how you can do this problem? Tell me once. They are asking number of cartons. Number of pencils. How many pencils are there in 75 cartons? Okay. So total how many boxes, children? Total 20 boxes in a carton. Okay, 20 boxes in a single carton. Okay, what we can do? Tell me, think once. First here, what we have to do? Okay, do you have any idea, children? See. First of all, 1 box they are packed 12 pencils. 1 box is equal to 12 pencils. Such boxes, how many are there in each carton? 20. Okay. Each carton is equal to 20 boxes. Okay. Each carton is equal to 20 boxes. Okay. Now they are asking in 75 cartons how many pencils are there? First you have to do the multiplication this number and this number. 20 boxes into 12. First you can do the ones place multiplication. 2 into 0, 0. 2 to 0, 4. Ones place completed. Keep 0 in the ones place. Go for the tens place. 1 into 0, 0. 1 to 0, 2. Now you can add these numbers. Okay. The answer is 240. In 20 boxes, we have 240 pencils. In 20 boxes. In 20 boxes, we are having 240 pencils. Then they are asking in 75 carton how many pencils are there? 75 cartons, how many pencils? So you have to multiply this 75. This 75 you have to multiply with this 12. Okay. Here also first you can do the ones place. 2 5s are 10. 0 here, 1 here. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Ones place completed, keep 0. 1 5s are 5. 1 7s are 7. You can add these numbers. 5 plus 5, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. 900. Okay. Total 900 pencils are there in the 75 cartons. Okay children. Why we are multiplying with the 12 means each box having how many pencils? 12 pencils. So 75 cartons we are having 900 pencils. Last you have to write down therefore. Therefore 900 pencils. 900 pencils are there in how many cartons? 75 cartons. Okay children. Same like this in page number 96 two more questions are there. See once. Meena has 732 500 rupee notes. How much money does she have? Meena has 732 500 rupee notes. How much money she has means here we have to multiply. Sixth solution. Just here I am giving a hint. You have to write like this steps. Meena has 732 500 rupee notes. Means 500. You have to multiply this number. You are getting the answer. Write down the step. First step is Meena has number of rupees. That is equal to 500 rupees. How many notes? Number of notes is equal to 732. 732 multiply with 500, you will get the answer. Next, seventh one. A group of 248 students of a school went for a picnic. If each student contributed 250 rupees for the trip, find the total amount collected. Here also, seventh solution. You have to write down number of students went for a picnic. That is 248 students. And if each contributed 250 rupees, 250. You can do this multiplication. You will get the answer. You have to do these 2 questions. This is your homework, children. Okay. So today your homework is do in your maths notebook, that is exercise 4.5, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions. Today your homework is doing maths notes. Doing maths notes. Exercise 4.5, that is 4, 5, 6, 7 problems. That is textbook page number 95 and 96. These 4 problems you have to finish. Doing maths notes, exercise 4.5, 4, 5, 6, 7 problems. Okay, this is your homework today. Thank you.